I'm Becky Simpson, the environmental educator for the Ottawa Soil and Water Conservation District. I just want to introduce to you a new tool that we have available for either presentations or to loan out to your classroom. This environmental tool that we have is called the Augmented Reality Sandbox. We were able to purchase the supplies needed to assemble the sandbox from a grant we received through the Ohio Environmental Education Fund. The Augmented Reality Sandbox is a 3D model that uses a hands-on approach to demonstrate different earth science concepts. This model uses a kinetic camera to project different landforms onto the sand. Participants can then change the landform by moving the sand to see how water flows and disperses over the watershed after a rain. This would be a valuable hands-on tool for grades kindergarten through 12th grade in demonstrating our changing environment. Let me demonstrate. As you can see on this model, the different colors represent the different elevations, just like a topographic map. The higher you build the sand up, the more you're going to get the reddish tones, where if you start building holes and making it a little bit steeper, you're going to get the green and possibly even a lake or a river. You can also see the contour lines. And these contour lines join different points with the same elevation. The distance between the lines shows the steepness of the landscape. This is a great tool to teach kids how to read topographic maps and showing them the concept of contour lines. Something really great about this model is that you can change the landscape simply by moving the sand. And just like that, we just removed that mountain. So you can see the contour lines are now further apart, showing that we got rid of that steepness. Let's say I wanted to build a lake. Easily done, just by digging a hole in the sand, and there we go. We have a lake. If I wanted to build that mountain back up, simply move the sand, and in real time, we have another mountain. Now, not only does this model show you different contour lines and topographic map, it also can show you how rain impacts a landscape. And the way that this works is that you can simply put your hand over the model, and wherever your hand goes, it's going to rain. And what this model does is that based on how steep the landscape is how fast that water is going to rush off the landscape and into the lowest part on your landscape. Right here you can see it's going right into the nearest lake. This model can be used for all sorts of different science curriculum. It can be used in 2nd grade to demonstrate weather changes and the environmental impact in living things. It can be used in 3rd grade, focusing on environmental as a system and how everyone in a watershed has an impact on water quality. 4th grade, what a great tool to demonstrate erosion, weathering, and deposition. All the way up into 12th grade, learning how to read a map, learning how people have an impact on water quality and the environment. This sandbox is available for loan, or I'm available to come in and help with a lesson plan using this sandbox. Our goal is to get this model into as many schools and as many classrooms as possible. Please contact our office either through our website at ottawaswcd.com or call us at 419-898-1595 if you have any further questions or are interested in reserving this model. Thanks, and have a great day.